TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. We have made it through another week, and I have another non-phone work from home job lead for you. Now, this one is not the best high paying, however, it is non-phone customer service where you are actually responding to the customers through social media comments. So we will just dive on in. Just know the links, if you're interested in applying, are always in the YouTube description box. Today's job lead is from the company TeeTurtle. Now, they are a consumer products company that creates toys, games, apparel, and accessories. They are hiring a full-time customer service representative. This is remote within the United States only, but they are basically looking for someone to communicate to their customers through all written channels. So this will include some Zendesk tickets, social media, and Kickstarter to ensure that they have a great shopping experience. So you'll be answering all of the customer service inquiries in a timely manner to assist each customer and leave a positive impression about the brand. You'll be responding to customer inquiries and comments on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other channels such as ads, customer reviews, and Kickstarter. You will be providing a positive and friendly and engaging customer service experience. Now, some of the questions that you might be getting asked is processing refunds for customers, discounts, or replacement packages. You'll make sure that any issues the customers have are quickly resolved. You'll also track their feedback and concerns and pass those on to upper management. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED. They want somebody who has 2 years experience in some kind of a customer service role, ideally via email or chat, someone who has a great experience in writing, someone who can type at least 75 words per minute, someone who has working knowledge of Zendesk is preferred but not required. Of course, somebody who has working knowledge of Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, Outlook, all of those things are preferred, but again, not required. And you do, of course, have to live in the U.S. Now, as mentioned, this is not the highest paying job in the world, but it is a non-phone work from home job. They are paying anywhere from $30,000 all the way up to $40,000 a year. And on top of that, they do offer a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, 401k, paid time off, all of those things. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that is absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.